Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make caramel sauce. I made caramel apples some weeks ago and one person in the comment section said I should drop the recipe of my caramel sauce. So I'm going to be showing you how I make caramel sauce with just 3 ingredients. So I'm going to start by adding some sugar to my pot. I'm using a thick pot which is perfect for making caramel sauce. You can find the exact measurements for this recipe in the description box. Then I'm going to add some water, mix it around a little bit, and make sure it pretty much dissolves before I put it on fire. So when you're making caramel, you don't want to manually mix the sugar in the pot, otherwise that will cause an unsmooth caramel or a crystallized caramel with so many crystals. And it will spoil the caramel. So what I'm going to be doing instead is to hold the pot by the handle and just move it around in a circular motion oftentimes. Also, I'll be going in with my brush and water, and I'm going to be cleaning the sides of the pot to remove any crystallization by that side and to sort of dissolve the sugar that may be sticking on the sides of the pot. I'm going to be doing this often until my caramel is ready. So it's important that when you're making caramel that you have everything ready and on hand, because when it's ready and you need to act fast. Gradually the sugar is starting to darken, and personally I prefer my own caramel to be a medium brown color. So when the sugar gets to a sort of golden color, I am going to turn off the heat and add in my evaporated milk. And while I do this, I am going to mix vigorously so that no lumps form. But you must be careful because the caramel or the sugar is very hot. So make sure you're protected so you don't get any of that on your hand because it burns. Now I'm going to turn the heat back on and I'm going to add some sea salt and stir. And yeah, this is the color I want. So I'm going to leave it to simmer for about 30 seconds and then I'm going to turn off the heat. It looks a little bit watery right now, but I'm going to let it cool. When I let it cool, it's going to get thicker. And voila guys, we have a nice rich brown thick caramel sauce. It is so good. So guys, this is my simple yet yummy 3 ingredient caramel sauce. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't, and write a nice comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao.